Welcome, students. We're going to solve the Chapter 2 review, Geometry Basics. We'll talk you through the different problems here. So we're going to try to find the measure of angle 4. I'm sorry, measure of angle 6, measure of angle 4, and measure of angle 1. And these markings right here, these arrows, tell us that those are parallel lines. And then this is the transversal that's creating the intersections. So we get the 124 here. Angle 6 is the vertical angle to that, so it's going to be the same. Okay, so vertical angles are congruent is going to be the justification of why angle 6 is 124. So vertical angles are congruent. Angle 4 and the 124-degree angle is those two are going to be supplementary because they're consecutive interior angles. And when the lines are parallel, consecutive interior angles add to 180, are supplementary. Okay? And then angle 1, that is not a direct angle pair with the 124. So we're going to have to utilize some other connection here. So let's see what we did. Angle 3, right? So if we look, I'll pause this for a second. Angle 3 and the 124-degree angle are corresponding angles. When the lines are parallel, those are equal. So 124 is in that position, and then angle 1 and 3 create a linear pair. So those angles add up to 180, which is going to give us the 56. So that's the first one. So down here at number 2, we're working on angle pairs, and what since the lines are parallel, that's the parallel symbol. Since lines L and M are parallel, cut by transversal N, angles 3 and 6 are consecutive interior. Consecutive is same side of the transversal, interiors between the two lines. So, and make sure you go on the other intersection. 3 and 4 are a linear pair, so we wouldn't call them consecutive interior. They're not consecutive, they're adjacent. So there's some differences there. Angle 3 and 6 are consecutive interior, and they add to 180 when the lines are parallel. 2 and 8 are alternate exterior, congruent. 1 and 5 are corresponding and congruent, same position, other intersection. Okay, so HC is parallel, right there, to GD. And angle ABC is 96. Okay. So EBH, that's this one. Yeah, those are corresponding. All right, let's see how we work through this problem. Okay, so trying to highlight those angles. And you do see those are corresponding angles created by those 3-letter paths. So going through and figuring out each part. We want the one that's false. Okay, so GEF is this angle, would be 96 when the lines are parallel because alternate exterior angles are congruent. Okay, CBE, this angle here, and CBA are a linear pair. So they're not, the measures have to add to 180. If we put 96 there, what are you up to there? 192? So that's why it's false. It's got to be, they got to add to 180. So that's it. Just verifying D is true. They are alternate interior angles. That'll be it for the first video. We'll get to, we're just going to split them up by pages.